One of the features available to users in Google Sheets to help save a considerable amount of time is the autofill feature. The autofill feature can be used to copy information or to copy a series of information to adjacent cells in the spreadsheet. Let's assume for a minute that we want everything in our spreadsheet to say true. If I type true into cell A1, and then make A1 my active cell, you'll notice in the bottom right-hand corner of cell A1 is a little blue box. That little blue box is called the fill handle. When you move your mouse over that little blue box, your mouse will turn into a plus sign. You can copy information to adjacent cells either in the column or adjacent cells in the row. So if I click and drag down in my column, I will copy the word true to the adjacent cells that I've selected. I can also do the same thing for a row. I can select the fill handle and copy to adjacent cells in the row. That's if you wanted to say the same thing. Let's assume that we want it to be a sequence. We could type in the number 1 in cell A1 and the number 2 in cell A2. And then I can select the cell range A1 through A2, and then using my fill handle, I can click and drag and start counting through A through 1 through 20 in cells A1 through A20. It can also recognize patterns. So let's say for a minute that I actually wanted to do multiples. Let's say I wanted to do 2 and 4. Obviously, I'm multiplying by 2s. The computer is obviously smart enough to recognize the pattern as well. So if I fill that down, it will count up by 2s for me, 2 all the way to 40 when I use C1 through C20. The autofill feature can also be used to recognize a sequence of values and of labels. So let's say that I wanted to display the days of the week. If in cell E2 I type Sunday, I can use the fill handle then to fill the rest of the days of the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday are then displayed by using the fill handle. Again, the fill handle can be very beneficial in copying information to adjacent cells because it can save the user a considerable amount of time in typing in all of the information independently.